Peer support groups are typically designed to bring together individuals who share common experiences, challenges, or goals. This way, members can freely talk about their issues and problems in an empathetic and non judgmental space, find solutions to specific problems, find emotional support, and many other things. These support groups can be hosted or created anywhere and everywhere. There are many places where you can physically attend meetings and meet like minded people. You can also find these groups utilizing existing platforms to act as a medium to have their meetings, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and other things. However, these online technologies weren't made specifically for supporting the creation and hosting of peer support groups. They're just usually generally just chat applications. I wanted to completely recreate the in-person support group experience online, specifically via a web application. This way it will be readily accessible and you can access it basically using anything you want, whether it be computer or a phone. This new online medium will also allow me to tackle the main problem I wanted to address regarding peer support groups, anonymity and privacy. Despite the overlap in experiences and backgrounds, peer support group members can still feel reluctant to fully open up and express themselves. This can come from a range of reasons like fear of judgment, stigmatization, and others. The lack of anonymity and privacy can certainly exacerbate these fears or even become the source of them. I wanted to fully take advantage of the online nature of my proposed application and allow people to participate in peer support groups completely and perpetually anonymously. To this end, my application will not have any log and flow. Users will get their anonymity from the start, and since this application is centered around group conversation, no message will also be recorded beyond the client side either. Whatever you type will basically be gone and once it's removed from the UI. So this will be a quick demonstration of my application. First, you'll want to visit the correct URL, and once you've done that, you'll immediately be directed to the page where you'll be creating your peer support groups, or as I like to call them in this application, campfires. So this page is very simple. You have a input box and a button. Now, as indicated by the placeholder here, this input box is where you'll type in the name for your support groups. Now, I'm going to simulate a creation of a group and also the activities that you would do in a support group through this application. So first, I want to name my support group, and I want it to clearly convey what I'm trying to do and what this group is trying to do. So I'm going to take the suggestion from the placeholder and call it mental support. And then I can click enter, and I'll be immediately redirected to the campfire page or the group page where I can interact with members. Okay, I'm going to click enter, and here we are. Now, to speak on technicalities, what happened was since there's no login flow, obviously, and there's no persistent data, what happened once I created that group was this group has been assigned a unique identifier, and for this group only, I've also been assigned as the host, and this will differentiate me from the other members. Now, this unique ID coupled with a bunch of other things are combined to create a unique connection, a unique live connection that allows me to have real-time interactions with future members of my group. This was all done using Ably. Now, to explain the UI, in the middle you have a campfire and a lone avatar. That's because there's only me joined in the group. But on the top right, you'll see the name of the support group and also the number of members present. Right now, it's only me, as also indicated by that avatar. But on the bottom left, you'll have this text. It says as Bell recognized. Now, every time you join a group, because this is an application focused on anonymity and privacy, you will not be asked to assign yourself a permanent or semi-permanent username. But every time you join a group, you'll be given a unique username. Because although privacy is good, you'll still need to be able to address people, and other people still do address you. That's why you get a unique username. And further, you also get a unique color. So when you text or when you chat with members, they'll see who's saying what without revealing any real identities. Okay, so I can test that right now. I can say hello, and the text box shows up. I'm called the host because I'm the host, and but my color is presented by the text box. Text, right? Okay. Now, now I'm alone, and that kind of defeats the purpose of being in a group. So I'm gonna invite other members. Okay. Now there are a couple of ways to invite members. The first and simpler way is to just give people to copy the join URL or invite URL and give them to your future members, people you want to join the group. So as you can see, I can hover over this, and then I can click it, and it'll copy this onto my clipboard. Now I have this in my clipboard. Or if you want to be fancier, you can copy a full card to give to your members. Okay, and I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you that. I'm just gonna click on copy card. It's gonna take quite a bit, and then once it's done copying, I have this whole card in my clipboard. And this card I can send to people in WhatsApp, Discord, or anything that supports images. I'm gonna show you that right now using WhatsApp. Let's say I want to send this to someone, and I can just click paste, and I will be able to send this to anyone I want. Okay, but I'm gonna use the simpler method, which is the link method. I'm gonna click on this link, get it onto my clipboard, and I'm gonna simulate multiple members joining me. Okay, and do this. And as you can see, immediately the member joining is reflected by the number of avatars in the campfire, and also this text here. Now it says 2 present. What you'll also see is that the other member has been assigned another unique username, this time as during hungry, and they have also been assigned a unique color. And I'm just gonna simulate another one right here. Here you go, brush plenty. And now there's 3 avatars and 3 present as the text. And and finally I'm gonna show you how a meeting would go. Let's say I'm the host, and I want to welcome everybody. Hello, everyone. And immediately every member who's connected will receive that message live. And since this is not a regular chat application, I want to create a positive environment. No one is allowed to interrupt anybody here. Hello, and if I try to say that in the chat, I can't until that message is gone. So this will cultivate a positive interactions between the members, and also members joining are represented by the avatars popping up and the numbers here. This application will also reflect people leaving. Okay, if I leave from this tab here, 1 will go, and now there's 2 present. That's it.